Hey there! Quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to give someone a sweet compliment in English, but didn't know what to say?
Or maybe you said something and then worried, did that sound weird?
You are not alone. Compliments are a beautiful part of everyday English, but they can also be tricky.
Hi, I'm Jack, and today we'll share real, simple, and sweet ways to give compliments in English without sounding awkward.
And I'm Jessica. Get ready to boost your speaking skills with natural phrases, real-life tips, and fun examples.
Let's help you learn English fast and make someone smile today. Segment 1. Compliments that feel natural.
All right, let's start with the basics. A compliment is a way to say something nice about a person. Maybe about how they look, what they do, or their personality.
Yes, but in English, the tone matters. You want it to feel light, friendly, not too strong or strange.
Let's start with the classic one. Imagine your friend is wearing a new shirt. You can say, "That shirt looks great on you."
Nice and simple. Or you can say, I love your style today.
See, we're not using big words, just simple phrases with a warm tone.
And notice the today at the end. It makes the compliment feel more casual and natural.
Let's try a quick practice. Listen and repeat after us.
I like your haircut.
You have a great smile.
You always have the best ideas.
How did that feel? If you smiled while saying those, that's the magic working.
Compliments are not just words. They're little gifts. Give one and you often get a smile back. Okay, time to look at some mistakes. These can make your compliment feel uncomfortable.
One mistake is being too personal with someone you don't know well. For example, "Wow, you look hot today." That's way too strong, especially in a work or school setting.
Yes. Another mistake, using compliments that sound fake or forced. Like, you are the most amazing person in the world. Unless you're writing a poem, it's a bit much.
Keep it simple. Keep it real. Also, watch out for how you say it. If your face is serious or your tone is flat, the other person might think you're not honest.
Let's show an example. I'll say it 2 ways. Nice shirt.
Oof, that felt cold.
Nice shirt.
That's better. So remember, your tone plus your smile equals the perfect compliment. Segment 3, compliments about personality. Let's go beyond looks. Complimenting someone's personality is powerful.
Yes. Try these phrases. You're really kind. You're so helpful. You're always so positive.
These work great with classmates, coworkers, or even someone you just met. It shows you notice their behavior, not just their clothes.
Want to make it stronger? Add a reason. You're really kind. You always listen when I need help.
That's beautiful. It feels more personal, more honest.
Let's try a mini role play. Jessica, imagine I helped you with a project.
Okay.
Hey, Jessica, I just wanted to say, you're super organized. Working with you made everything easier.
Aw, thanks, Jack. That kind of compliment builds friendship and trust. Segment 4, compliments in romantic English.
Let's turn up the charm just a little. Romantic compliments.
These are tricky, right?
You want to be sweet, not creepy.
Exactly. So let's use soft words. Try, you have a beautiful smile. I love the way you laugh. You make me feel really happy.
Simple, direct, and sweet. You can also compliment how someone makes you feel.
That's true. Like, I feel calm when I'm with you. You make everything more fun.
Just be sure to use these only if you feel a good connection. Timing matters.
Yes. And practice saying them with a warm smile and soft voice.
Role play practice. Giving compliments.
Let's do some short role plays. Listen and try to repeat with us.
Hey Jack, did you finish the group project?
Yes. And by the way, you did a great job organizing everything.
Thanks. That means a lot. Hey Jessica, that color looks amazing on you.
Really? Thanks, Jack.
You always bring such creative ideas to the team.
Thanks, Jessica. You make it easy to share.
Compliments create connection. They're like little bridges between people.
Let's take it up a level. Did you know that giving compliments can actually help you become more confident in English?
Yes, many learners feel shy, but when you give a compliment, you start a positive conversation. That's great practice.
Think about it. You're using real English with real people in real life, and it feels good. So here's a great tip. Give one compliment a day in English. Just one.
It can be at work, at school, online, or with friends. Just try it.
Let's give some ideas. You see someone in a video call with a nice background. Hey, I like your background. Looks so cozy.
Your friend shares a photo on Instagram? Wow, that picture is beautiful. You have a great eye.
You're at a cafe and the barista is friendly? Thanks. You're always so kind.
These are all small, natural ways to practice English and make someone's day better.
Segment 5. Build your compliment vocabulary.
We'll help you grow your compliment vocabulary. We'll go over some useful words and phrases.
You can use these words to mix and match, like building blocks.
For appearance: beautiful, lovely, cute, stylish, cool, elegant, fresh, bright, clean. Examples: you look lovely today. That's a cool jacket. Your haircut is so fresh.
For personality or effort: smart, creative, funny, thoughtful, kind, hardworking, amazing, talented, inspiring. Examples: you're so creative. That idea was brilliant. You always know how to cheer me up.
For actions or results: well done, great job, nice work, impressive, professional, clear. Examples: nice work on the presentation. That was really impressive. You explained it so clearly.
Don't worry about sounding perfect. Focus on being.
Yes, your accent doesn't matter, your heart does.
So repeat after us. Ready?
You look lovely today.
You did an amazing job.
You are always so helpful.
You're doing great. Keep repeating these out loud. Segment 6. Compliment Challenge. 5 days, 5 compliments.
Let's give our listeners a fun challenge.
Ooh, I love challenges. What's the plan?
It's the 5 compliment challenge. For the next 5 days, give one real compliment in English each day.
1 compliment equals 1 day of practice. That's fun and easy.
Let's break it down. Day 1, compliment someone's clothes or style.
Your shoes are so cool.
Day 2, compliment someone's work or idea.
That was a smart solution.
Day 3, compliment someone's personality.
You're so patient.
Day 4, compliment someone's energy or vibe.
You make this room brighter.
Day 5, compliment someone online.
Thanks for sharing this. It helped me a lot. And here's a bonus tip. Write down what you say in a notebook.
That helps you remember it, and it builds your English compliment list.
Post one in the comments too. Let's cheer each other on. Segment 7. Compliments that can be misunderstood.
All right, let's talk about compliments that can go wrong.
Yes, some things can sound okay in your native language, but strange in English.
Here are a few examples. You look fat today. Even if it's meant as a joke, it sounds rude. You are white. Describing someone's skin color like that, not okay unless they bring it up.
You smell nice, like a flower. This one is tricky. It can sound romantic or even a bit creepy if said to the wrong person.
Just be careful with compliments about body or smell unless you know the person very well.
Also, never use compliments to make fun of someone. That's sarcasm, not kindness. More real-life role play.
Let's try some real-world scenes again. Repeat after us or imagine you're the one saying the compliment.
Hi, I just wanted to say, your idea in the meeting was really smart.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Ooh, new phone. It looks so sleek.
Yeah, I love the color. Thanks.
You always explain things so clearly. You're a great teacher.
Oh, thank you. I love helping.
These are the kind of compliments that work everywhere. School, work, online, or even on a date.
And guess what? The more you practice, the more natural they feel. Okay, friends, let's take a deep breath and look back at all the sweet, simple ways we've learned to give compliments in English.
You now know how to compliment someone's style, personality, effort, or even the way they make you feel.
You also learned what not to say. Because yes, words are powerful, but they have to feel right too.
And the best part? You've got phrases you can start using right now.
Let's quickly review the top compliment patterns. You look great in that color. I like or love your energy today. You're so creative. That's a brilliant idea. You always make people feel welcome.
Now, it's your turn. What's one compliment you can give someone today?
Maybe your friend, your teacher, your mom, or even a YouTuber.
Yes, we love compliments too.
So here's your mission. Give one compliment today in English. Post it in the comments if you want. And if you loved today's tips,
Both of us, like the video, subscribe to the channel, practice what you've just learned.
we're here to help you feel more natural, more confident, and more connected through English.
And hey, a small compliment can start a big conversation. Don't be afraid to speak up.
From all of us here at the Achieve English podcast channel.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.